What's up? This is Cedric McMillan. Listen, get your ass down to the MD Supplement Superstore. Peace.
I'm trying to get my back.
Your back. So I'm back with Big Jay, Zak from the UK, who just won his class as a heavyweight that Jay showed yesterday. So he's training with us today as a bonus for winning his class yesterday.
The light outset.
Second exercise, pull-ups. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Come on, Big J. 7. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, come on, 10. Good job.
Zak's gonna fall off.
You're killing him. You just competed yesterday. Take it easy. 4, 5, 6. Come on. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Good. Good set. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11. One more. Good. What is that, number 5? Fifth exercise? I think it's number 5. Yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on, champ. Good. Good. Oh yeah, all those pads, yeah. Too tight. It is a good gym for back here. Yeah. So we're at Wahoo's Taco, fish taco. We're gonna get some food with Zak and Big J. What are you gonna have, Big J?
Chicken, I think.
Yeah? No fish? I know.
I've been on tilapia for the last 6 weeks.
Orange Ruffy. You know they still sell Orange Ruffy at Sam's Club?
I get it from Eat to Grow now.
Oh, do you have some? Okay. It's really hard to find.
Thanks.
This is for you, muscle phone. This is what we're eating.
You can tell who's been dehydrated in it. You.
Isaac. Goofy Isaac. All right. What's up? This is Cedric McMillan. Listen, get your ass down to the MD Supplement Superstore. Peace.